Introducing the TopTes PT199 Combustible Gas Leak Detector. In the box, you'll find your user's manual. You also find the factory-provided batteries for your PT199. Installation of the batteries is with the positive side of the battery facing down. Install your two batteries into your PT199. To power on your PT99, long press the power button. The PT199 will go through a 30-second warm-up cycle. To power off your PT199, press for 1 second and release. Also in the box is this nice carrying case. Included. PT199 comes with an audible and a visual detector. PT199 comes with low sensitivity mode and high sensitivity mode. Low range is 500 to 1000 parts per million, and high sensitivity is 50 to 500 parts per million. Will the PT199 detect R290 refrigerant? Let's find out. Okay, stage voice aside, I was actually impressed with how good this worked. Picking up natural gas, propane, R290 without the scent in it. This leak detector works pretty darn good. There will be a link in the description below, and I will also have a code so you can get 10% off. NorCal 10 off will be in the description below for your 10% off. Yes, PT199 is an efficient, handy combustible gas detector that can accurately locate gas leakage of various combustible gases such as methane, natural gas, propane, liquefied petroleum gas, sewer gas, and gasoline. Parts as low as 50 parts per million.